Okay, we're recording.
Whoa, okay, so, hey, what's up? I haven't blogged before, and so I'm not really good at it, so to say. I've actually had to figure out where to put the camera so that you can see me and not see the dirty mess on my floor. So yeah, I started vlogging like now because I saw that everybody else was like having like this great time doing it, and I thought, well, I'm inspired by like Shane Dawson and Ray William Johnson and all those other vloggers out there that are just, you know, having a kick-ass time. I mean, having a great time. So I decided I'm gonna do one of my own and put it on YouTube. If you notice, I'm sporting like this sweater and this and my hat and these. I was not wearing this before I started vlogging. I was still in my pajamas, and it's like noon. Oh, it's like 6 o'clock at night, and I haven't changed. I haven't even fully changed yet. If you'll notice, I'm still wearing my god-awful pants. See? Look at those. No, don't mind mess on my floor. Don't look at it. Okay, so I didn't quite completely change, but I changed enough so that you guys didn't have to see my ugly pants. Y'all.
Windows died. Is supposed to get off work.
Should be off work or like any minute now.
Should we get home any minute now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Anywho, as I was saying, total interruption from brother there. But as I was saying, I guess I'm just gonna introduce myself. My YouTube channel is called Mayu13. But I think I'm gonna make a new one just for vlogs because Mayu13 has some of my old stuff on it and it's kind of embarrassing. Because I don't need people to be seeing that. I went through this anime phase. I'm still going through it. But I made a bunch of AMVs, slideshows, and stuff, but they're not like anywhere near good. So, but if you want to go check them out, Mayu13 is my account. I have one where I have a party on there. I'm acting like an idiot, but that's me usually. I'm gonna try and vlog stuff like when I'm at school, if I get permission from my friends, of course. But I'm gonna like vlog at school, and they'll be like, "Yay!" Because they'll be like, "Oh, good, you vlogging at school? Yeah, you're so awesome." My friends totally don't talk like that. We're not all a bunch of gangsters just sitting there going, "Oh, you're so awesome." No, we don't. Okay, we're part of the awesome, but we're goofballs. But what I wanted to do for this introduction was show you my awesomely awesome room, which isn't that awesome. As you can see behind me, there's my window. It is open, and it is snowing outside. Do you want to see snow? I want to see snow. Oh, wait. Okay, it's melting. But that's outside. That's my backyard. That is a gazebo. Gazebo. See? Snow. Where we going? Okay. So we had that, and okay, so we got my DVD player, glasses, water bottle, the essentials. The essentials. They're too small, I know. My awesome clock. This is where I sleep. And Leave me a comment. Do you guys make your bed when you get up, or do you leave it like mine? Because if you leave it like mine, I can totally understand, because then you just, like, you know, get into bed and pull the blankets on. 'Cause that's what I do. Like, bed. You don't need to, like, pull the blankets back and pull the shit off your blankets, and you just go to bed. I got pictures all over my walls. Bleach, random anime, Dark Knight. I got tons of stuff that's on my roof. I got, oh, you gotta see my monkey sing. Monkey, sing.
Ooga chaka, ooga, ooga, ooga chaka, ooga, ooga. When you hold me in your arms so tight, you let me know everything's alright. I'm hooked on a feeling. I'm high on believing.
The joke.
I'm hooked on a
Oh, monkey. Okay, that was funny. Okay, I love that monkey. Yeah, just random. Oh my god. You go, kitties, go ask your mom. Hey, adults, go. Holy fuck, cat, when did you get here? No, I'm serious. When did you get in here? You just scared the living Jesus out of me. Kitty wants out. As I was saying, get your parents to get you apple cinnamon air freshener. Oh, so good. It smells so good. Random stuff, random stuff. Random stuff. Random stuff. We're gonna avoid the closet. Now you're looking at my dirty clothes. Pictures, 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 pictures. That's it. Hello, kitty. Say hi, kitty. Kitty. Meow. Hey. Hey. Say hi. Say hi. Meow. Say hi. Meow. Say hi. Come on. You want out? If you want out, you're gonna have to meow. Meow. Meow, damn it. Meow. Oh, look, you can almost get out. Look, you're almost free. You just have to meow. Meow. Damn it, meow. No, meow. You have to meow. Oh, fine. Get the hell out of here. That's my cat. That's not my... It is my cat, but I don't like it. I fucking hate that cat. I guess that's everything. Perfect. So, that's my room, and, that's me. I have a big family, so I won't be able to do much recording every once in a while. I'll pop a video off here and there. Just random stuff that I'm thinking about. So, yeah, tell me how I did, because I'm not good at vlogging, so, leave me a comment, telling me how I did on my vlog, and what I should do to improve, or what else I should do in my videos. If you want to see a tour of my house, comment that in the below too, because I'll show you my whole house. I will. Alright, love you babies.